Gotta wait for this car to go by. High quality H2O. What's up, everybody? Claudio here, and we have been under rain for, I think this is the third day. Have not been on my bikes for 3 weeks now, and I'm just like itching to get out there. All the trails pretty much close down when it rains for obvious reasons. You know, we don't want people riding on trails and cause more damage, making ruts and erosion and whatnot. But I gotta tell you, I'm itching to get out there and ride. We did need the rain, which is great. My grass was kind of dying out there, so I don't have to trail in the water, which is great. So hopefully it subsides a bit so I can go out and ride pretty soon. But anyways, let's, what are we here today to talk about? Well, I got something really neat that I've actually had for probably 4 years. I use so many different adapters and tools with my mobile phone. For those of you who have been watching my videos here on YouTube, you've probably caught on that I'm really big into mobile photography and cinematography. Why? Well, my phone is in my pocket everywhere I go, and I can easily take it out, shoot a video, take a photo, edit it on my phone, and then share it right away on social media. I still do plenty of projects using my DSLR, but it's so much easier to stick this in my pocket than to stick my DSLR in my pocket when I'm traveling. I don't know, I'm just saying. Sorry about that. I had to go turn off my AC because when it kicks in, the vent's like right up here in my office, and the wind blows directly to the microphone, and pretty much you'll hear like a humming throughout the whole recording. So I wanted to kind of prevent that. Hence, I went to go turn it off so we can continue. And with that said, let's continue. As I mentioned before, today I wanted to share a tool that I used to use to shoot video with my phone, and it is called the Shoulderpod. Very easy to use, not too much to it. No Bluetooth, no batteries, plain and simple, not very high tech, but very, very easy to use. And how do you use it? Well, here it is. There's a strap. There is a threaded weight here. Unscrew that, and you have a 1/4 inch thread here that you can put on a tripod or GorillaPod or any type of mount. Wrap it around a pole, take a selfie or take a group shot with a timed photo or something like that. Very easy. Let's screw this back on and I'll show you how easy it is to use. So let's put a hand through the strap. Now, why is there a strap? Really ingenious here. In case this falls off, you won't lose your phone. So here we are. Let's loosen this up a bit and place phone, slide it in there, tighten this up, and just like that, you have something that you can use to shoot video, take a selfie, do some vlogging, handheld, really easy to use. Let me record something here so you can see as I go around. So that weight that's in the handle there kind of helps keep it stable, as opposed to holding it in your hand. You got a little bit of shaking. Of course, you can tuck your shoulder in to get a little more stability, but this is really easy to use, very simple, but it accomplishes a lot. Something else you can do with the Shoulderpod is slide your phone up, and let me take my hand out of there, and you'll kind of place it like that and put it on your table and use it as kind of like a stand. You can also use that to record yourself while you're seated, place it on a brick wall or on a ledge. If you don't have a stand or something, you can take videos vertically. So if you want to shoot some Instagram video, there you go, you have it. And that, my friends, is the Shoulderpod. Very simple to use, very inexpensive. I'll have the description below. I used this for many years before moving on to other gear. So if you are wanting to get into shooting videos or doing vlogging and don't have a huge budget, well, give this one a shot. I don't think you'll be disappointed. And with that, we're gonna wrap this up. I hear some thunder coming, so I need to kind of close shop here. Until next time, we'll see you soon. Please do hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. If you didn't, hopefully the next one you do. And don't forget to subscribe. All right, peace out.